The voting is underway for Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation polls after that high decibel campaign that we saw. Several bigwigs like Home Minister of State for Home G. Kishan Reddy, Minister KT Rama and AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi cast their votes. Kishan Reddy and KTR were amongst the first few to cast their votes. Owaisi came on a motorcycle to cast his vote. Actor Chiranjeevi also was amongst the first to vote. The polling is taking place through ballot paper due to COVID curbs and is going to end at 6 p.m. in the evening. The results are going to be declared on 4th December. And remember, it's a triangular contest between the TRS, BJP, AIMIM. In 2016 elections, the TRS had won 99 seats, the AIMIM had bagged 44 seats, while the BJP had won only 4 seats. However, this time BJP did a fierce campaign to establish itself as a rising force in the state.
ఓటు వేసేవారికి మాత్రమే తర్వాత నిలదీసే హక్కు ఉంటుంది, ప్రశ్నించే హక్కు ఉంటుంది. దయచేసి ఓటింగ్కి రండి, పాల్గొని హైదరాబాద్ నగర అభివృద్ధికి, హైదరాబాద్ ఏ రకమైన ప్రజా ఆలోచించి ఓటేయండి చెప్తే అందరూ కూడా దయచేసి ఓటింగ్ లో పాల్గొనాలని విజ్ఞప్తి.
Especially the youth should come out in large numbers. Adequate arrangements have been made by the State Election Commission regarding social distancing. And I hope each and every voter will come out and exercise the right to vote till 6 p.m. And I hope that this polling percentage would be much better, more than what it was 5 years ago or more than even the last parliament election.
It's battle for Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and there you see Minister in the state government, KTR, and son of Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao are here to cast their vote. And it's a day when Hyderabad will elect its next municipal government, a local government. And here, the voting is being conducted through ballot papers. And there in these images you see KTR with his family is here to exercise his vote. And today, when the fate of 150 candidates of 150 wards of Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation election will be sealed. But this is also a festive moment in the democracy, when be it VIP or an ordinary citizen have the similar right to exercise their vote. And that's what Hyderabad is celebrating today. But for now, in Hyderabad, this is Sanjay Kumar, this is Ashutosh Mishra, reporting for India Today.
Here, Asaduddin Owaisi, early in the morning, just after half an hour, at 7:30 in fact, after half an hour of voting started, he has arrived here and he's exercising his franchise. He came driving his motorbike to this particular polling center. Now he's waiting for his turn, his number. A lot of media presence, a lot of attention he's getting, and police personals are facing some difficulty to handle these media persons. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
Ashutosh Mishra is reporting from Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Ashutosh, what does the voter turnout look like this morning?
In the, the cosmopolitan area, or you say the new Hyderabad, indeed the polling percentage is quite low, and number of people, those who are arriving, the footfalls that I still see is very poor. However, in Old City and then other parts of Hyderabad, there are great voting percentages. People have started coming out early in the morning. And since it's a festival of democracy, so the colors indeed does matter. I have seen how people, also fighting against the COVID pandemic with all safety precautions. And right outside the polling booths, and this is how you identify the polling agents. So when you have a pink clothes on the table, there you see the TRS agents, the polling agents sitting there. In the saffron mask, because the party symbol, party banners are not allowed. So when you see the polling agents sitting in wearing saffron mask, there you identify that these are the BJP polling agents. And then you see these sanitizers are kept here for everyone, those who are coming to collect their slips before casting their vote. Another side, indeed, not much color or flag or any symbol, but these are the Congress polling agents are sitting here. Some 50 meters away from this point, that's the polling station. So far, we have seen, as far as the VIPs are concerned, Kishan Reddy exercised his vote. Asaduddin Owaisi came out to vote. The minister and son of the chief minister, KTR, also exercised his vote. Kishan Reddy voted out. But as far as celebrities are concerned, I only saw Chiranjeevi coming out so far. Most of these celebrities from the Telugu film industry, I heard they're out of town and that they may not even come out to exercise their right of this democracy, and that is also giving a bad message to the youth, because when it comes to electing a local government, doesn't matter how high decibel of the entire campaign has been. When it comes to the civic issues, the civic government, it is right of the people to exercise their vote. But indeed, this battle was more interesting, as we know the high decibel campaign from all the sides, a three-corner fight, triangle fight between the BJP, TRS and the OWC. But the interesting fight that was launched by the BJP by projecting all its top faces from the party president to the home minister, that made this entire battle interesting. And now, the 11 hours exercise of this democracy and the fate of parties will be logged. Whether TRS is going to save its bastion, whether BJP is going to get a good percentage of vote to open its account in southern India, beyond Karnataka, or MIM will make some impact, though it's contesting on 1/3 of the total seats. That's going to be really interesting, Chaiti.
All right, Ashutosh, getting us those details this morning. We're going to keep coming back to you for the latest updates. Thank you for joining us for now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.